Students, our chapter transition and inner transition element is going. Today we are going to see compounds of manganese and chromium, that is potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. So first we'll see preparation of potassium permanganate, whose molecular formula is KMnO4. First method is by chemical oxidation. Oxidation is a process in which addition of oxygen or loss of hydrogen or increase in oxidation number takes place. Here a finely divided manganese dioxide is heated strongly with caustic potash KOH and oxidizing agent potassium chlorate. Then dark green colored potassium magnetate is obtained. In a neutral or acidic solution, the green potassium magnetate is then converted into or disproportionate to potassium permanganate, whose formula is KMnO4. And here potassium magnetate is K2MnO4. This K2MnO4 is disproportionate into potassium permanganate. Then the liquid is filtered through glass wool or sintered glass and evaporated until crystals of potassium permanganate are formed, which are almost purple black in color. See here reaction of finely divided manganese dioxide MnO2 is heated strongly with caustic potash KOH and potassium chlorate KClO3. Then potassium magnetate is obtained, whose color is dark green color. Then this potassium magnetate is dissolved in or acidified then potassium permanganate is obtained. Then this filter is filtered through a glass wool or sintered glass and evaporated until crystals of potassium permanganate are obtained. Color of potassium permanganate is almost purple black colored. Then second method is electrolytic oxidation. In electrolytic oxidation, alkaline solution of potassium magnetate ion is electrolyzed between iron electrode, which are separated by diaphragm. The overall reaction is here potassium magnetate K2MnO4 plus H2O, and here nascent oxygen is taken, then potassium permanganate is obtained. The oxygen is evolved at anode, convert magnetate into permanganate. The oxygen here evolved at anode, convert magnetate into permanganate. The solution is then filtered and evaporated to get purple black colored crystals of potassium permanganate. Then here chemical properties of potassium permanganates are given. First, in acidic medium, oxidation of iodide to iodine. Here MnO4 negative plus 10 iodide plus 16 H positive to get twice Mn2 positive plus 8 H2O and I2. means here oxidation of iodide to iodine. These iodide ions are oxidized to iodine. Then oxidation of Fe2 positive to Fe3 positive. Increase in oxidation number means oxidation. So here conversion of Fe2 positive into Fe3 positive is oxidation. Again here MnO4 negative plus 5 Fe2 positive plus 8H positive. To get 5 Fe3 positive plus Mn di positive plus 4H2. Here also Fe2 positive is converted into Fe3 positive. Then third reaction is oxidation of hydrogen sulfide H2S. Decomposition of H2S gives 2H positive plus S di negative, which react with MnO4 plus 16H to get Mn2 positive. Then oxidation of oxalic acid. It also convert MnO4 into Mn2 positive. What is formula of oxalic acid? H2C2O4 means COOH single bond COOH. So here oxidation of oxalic acid takes place by this MnO4 ions. Then in neutral or weakly alkaline medium, here oxidation of iodide ion to iodide iO3 negative. So here twice MnO4 plus H2O plus I negative, they are converted into MnO2. Then this thiosulfate is oxidized to sulfate. Thiosulfate S2O3 2 negative, they are oxidized to SO4 2 negative using MnO4. This manganese salt is oxidized to MnO2. Here this manganese salt MnO4 is oxidized to MnO2. Then uses of potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate is very important in our laboratory. Important chemical. In titration, generally we use potassium permanganate, which is violet colored solution. It is used as an antiseptic, then for unsaturation test in laboratory, then in volumetric analysis of reducing agent. We use that potassium permanganate in titration of FAS or more salt. For detection of halides in qualitative analysis, and also potassium permanganate is powerful oxidizing agent in laboratory and industries.